Hey guys, it's Eddie over here at Internet Chrysler. Today we're going to take a look at how to hook up your iPhone or Android phone to one of our trucks here. So follow me along on the passenger side. We'll start this up. So it literally takes just a few seconds. Back when I was younger, when I was in university, I used to work at a SaskTel dealership. And that was before iPhones, it was before Android, it was dinosaur age. And to hook up your phone through Bluetooth was a headache. But I'm going to show you how quickly you do it now. You basically just go into your settings, go to your Bluetooth, make sure that it's on, and then we're going to go phone on the UConnect screen. And we're using the nice 12-inch display on this one, so it's going to be quite easy. So you're going to search for Bluetooth devices. And there it is, Eddie's iPhone. And then on my phone, you're going to see UConnect and then a bunch of numbers. So you just click that, and pairing unsuccessful. That's not good. There, that's what it's supposed to do. So you just click pair on your phone and you click yes on the screen. And one of the nice things about it is that it does allow you to sync your contacts. So all your contacts and your contact list will then be on the UConnect system. And you'll be able to make phone calls. If you're using an iPhone, it's going to ask you this question right away. If you want to connect Apple CarPlay. That's nice to have because you'll be able to basically use your whatever you have on your phone that's compatible with the UConnect system. It'll pop up on the screen. You'll be able to use your YouTube Music, Siri, if you use, so this is basically already launching my YouTube Music. But you have your phone icons. You can have different displays set up on here. And it's completely connected. So right now it's wirelessly syncing everything that's on my phone onto the UConnect screen, take phone calls, text messages, all of that. That's how easy it is.